Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add glowing letters in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to elements in the left side toolbar and then here we are just searching for neon. Okay, and we are going to photos and here we are going to add some good neon effect, right? So whatever the neon effect you like the most, you can simply add that particular neon effect, right? Here I'm going to select any good neon effect. So for example, I have just chosen this, right? And now I'm going to click on triple dot, set image as background, and then add a text, add a heading, and here I'm just going to write Bikana. Okay, and now I'm going to change the font type from Canva Sans to some another font. For example, here we are just going to search for some good effect, love line. Okay, and here we are going to increase its size, right? Change the color to whatever the color you like the most. For example, let me select the pink color shade, right? Okay, let's select again the pink color. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to add effects to our text. So I have clicked on effects, and from here you can add any text effect, right? For example, if you want it to be neon, then you can select the neon, right? If you don't think that the font color is nice, you can simply change the color from here to whatever the color you want, right? So in this manner you can simply add a good neon or glowing text into your designs. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.